Where's the terrain videos gone? This channel's changed. People obviously don't watch all my videos and understand what's going off. So I thought, you know what? Let's put a video together and show you that the terrain videos are coming and show you what we've been building and getting ready for. See you in a sec.
Put milk in with tea bag, have you?
Of course. So yes, I've been building this area, which at the minute doesn't look very much. Let me just tidy up. It's hard work running up and down stairs. But up on here anyway, I've built a big 8x4 table with my dad, which is a nice big solid workshop table built out of wood and MDF. And at the back we've got a really big station, which is for tools and doing little bits that we need to do. So I've got a lot of space for building terrain. Right, the biggest problem with here, the camera doesn't show it very well because it's white balancing to the lights that we've got in. But for the people that know, these lights up here are sodium vapor, the bright orange. So I think they're around 14 to 17, 1800 Kelvin, which is far too warm. Everything looks brown, like any greens, everything like that. I can't build terrain under them conditions. So I've had to buy some lights, and to build and film in a 6x4 area, we need quite a lot of them. So I've got to build up 6 lights. So let's get that done. Right, so with these lights it's a little bit better. I'm not going to tell you where to buy these from because they're cheap crap and they need far powerful bulbs in, which I need to sort. But now I've got some light, I'm going to be able to start the commissions, and it's just a cheap fix to get us so I can start the commissions, that's all. But as you can see, that's how orange sodium vapor is. No one can work under that light unless you're colourblind. But working under the daylight will make it a lot easier. Now, let's go in my room because this audio is horrendous. But the commissions that we've got in, we've got a 16x4 gaming table. It's a World War II, like set in Normandy, but there's going to be a lot of things to cover. And you guys asked me to split it up into videos that were more broke up into specific needs. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to make one table on like a town, like a bombed out town. There'll be 2 boards that are like generic scenics, bocage roads, that sort of thing, dikes. And then the last one's going to be like a farmhouse with like howitzer outposts and like a German sort of captured space. And the whole point of this gaming table is that it's slightly modular as well. So we can put it in different sections, so it works as a nice 4x4, like 4 4x4s. It'll work as 2 good 8x4s. And I'm going to see if I can make it all work together as an 8x8. It's not something that is asked for, but it's something I'd like to try, because if I can make it all work in any direction, that'd be lovely. So we're going to do that. The board after that is going to be a big grimdark Games Workshop, mega city set in a desert with canals and all sorts like that. I'm looking forward to that one because the buildings are huge. They're like three. I think some of them must be close to 4 foot with the pictures and phone calls we've been having. So I'm looking forward to that one. It just, as soon as I saw them, I'm like, Judge Dredd. So I'm looking forward to that one. But yeah, how I'm going to do these videos, especially with how big they are, and they're going to take probably, might be over a month to do, depending on how deep into detail we start going with them. There's going to be a lot of nice videos on working on MDF buildings. We've got a load from Sarissa that's for the board. I've got a load of little resin bits and stuff, so it makes it a bit simpler to build, but there's a lot of different content to make from it. So all you guys that have been complaining, there's plenty of terrain content coming. This year is me doing videos on terrain building. I'm going to be having fun as well, as in I like miniature painting, and this channel started out as me painting miniatures. And I've got a couple of videos like that I'm going to do because I want to do them. Also, next week I'm currently building a little gaming table next week. So if you're not subscribed, do subscribe, and we'll get notified when I drop this one, because I'm really excited about this. This is a little passion project, and there's a reason it's so small, and we'll cover that in the video. But anyway, guys, I just thought I'd update you. I just thought I'd keep you all sort of on track, because there's a lot of people complaining that I'm not making terrain videos, and if you actually watch my videos, you'll see things have changed a lot over the last 12 months, and that's why. And if you want to support me, guys, don't forget to check out my shop where you can buy all your basing materials and your Scenics and everything else. If you're in Europe, Australia, America, Germany, that's Europe. So if you're in any of them countries, go to the bottom of his website or the link below this video, and it'll show you where your international sellers are. And if you can shop local, it helps the local shops are. Even if you're in the UK, guys, use your local shops before you come to us. It's been this year. Just help your local suppliers out, please. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll probably see you on Monday. Or no, make it Tuesday. I'll see you on Tuesday for the next video. If it goes up on Wednesday, then I'll broke a promise again. See you in a bit. Love, love, love.